This is the USS-10 200 watts RMS 10-inch slim underseat or trunk mounted powered subwoofer for your car or truck. This is a true all-in-one subwoofer solution to give you great sounding bass in your vehicle without taking up a lot of space. And with 200 watts of power, the USS-10 has enough power where you can either mount it in your trunk or place it under your seat and still get a nice, clean, and thumpy low-end sound throughout your whole vehicle. The USS-10 combines a high-quality 10-inch subwoofer inside a strong exclusive enclosure, which stays cool even under your seat with the amplifier built in. The height of the whole enclosure is only 2.9 inches thick, which means it can fit anywhere. But you're probably wondering what this subwoofer sounds like, so let's go to Perry, who has a demo set up for us.
What's up, guys? So I have my USS-10 all set up under my seat and ready to go. So for this demo today, I'm gonna play 3 different songs for you guys. I'm gonna play a rock song, I'm gonna play a hip-hop song that has more bass, and I'm gonna play a very bass-heavy song so we hear different genres and see how the sub can handle each. So I'm gonna play some music right now, starting with the rock song without the sub at first, and then I'm gonna start to bring it in so we can really hear the difference. All right, so here we go. Okay, so this is no sub. We'll bring it in now. Yeah. Already you can hear a big difference. Wow, that's awesome. Really cool. So next, let's head over to the hip hop song, which has more bass present in it naturally. And let's hear how that goes with the USS-10. Let's go up more on the bass remote knob. Oh yeah. Man, that's awesome. Really filling up the car now. Yeah. Alright. Sweet. So lastly, let's go to the very bass heavy song so we can really push the sub to the limits. Alright, here we go. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Crazy. And let's go all the way up on the bass now. Wow. That is nuts. Man, that's crazy. Sounds so good. Wow.
As you just saw from that demo, the USS-10 is an all-in-one subwoofer solution to add a great low-end sound to your vehicle. It comes with everything you need for a quick and easy install. It comes with the mounting hardware so that if you don't want to put the subwoofer under your seat, you can mount it to the back of one of your seats or mount it to the trunk of your car. Now, if we take a look at this side of the amplifier panel, we'll see a 25 amp fuse and the power remote and ground terminals to power the unit. Then over here, we have our RCA inputs to get your signal from the output of your head unit. Then over here, we have a high-level input port where our high-level input adapter harness would plug in. You can use this if your head unit does not have any RCA outputs. This means your subsystem will work with any stock or aftermarket head unit. Over here, we have our bass remote knob port where you can plug in the included metal bass remote knob to control the level of the amp in the subwoofer from the front of your vehicle. This is super convenient so you can appropriately set the gain of the amplifier and sub to whatever song you're listening to in real time. Over here, we have a phase switch so that you can change the phase of the subwoofer from 0 degrees to 180 degrees to ensure that the subwoofer is perfectly in sync with the rest of your system, especially if you are using more than one subwoofer in your setup. And here is the auto on and off button that will work with the smart turn on feature, which senses when audio signal is present and will turn on the amplifier. When you turn off your music, the amplifier will automatically turn itself off. It is important to note that this feature only works with the high level input. And over here we have our low pass filter to filter out the high frequencies, and that ranges between 50 Hz and 150 Hz. So for example, if you set it to here about 100 Hz, it will only play frequencies of 100 Hz and below. This allows you to really target the low-end frequencies you want to hear. The subsonic control is adjustable from 20 Hz to 50 Hz and acts as a high-pass filter, in that if I set it here in the middle to 35 Hz, it will only play 35 Hz and above. Use this with your low-pass filter to get the exact range of frequencies that will play through your subwoofer. For example, if my low-pass filter is set to 150 Hz and my subsonic is set to 35 Hz, the frequency range played through my subwoofer will be 35 Hz to 150 50 Hz. Then we have a bass boost knob that will boost the frequencies around 45 Hz up to 12 dB. You can use this if you want a little more thump sound from your woofer. The last control is our gain knob to control the overall gain of the amplifier and sub. So if you're looking for a 200 watts RMS slim underseat or trunk mounted powered 10-inch subwoofer system for your car or truck, look no further than the USS 10 from Rockville.